Hey, this is Yvette with Vanderbrink Auctions, and we are here at Larry Haug's place. And today is preview for the online-only auction that ends on the 12th of July. And I'm going to walk you around and just show you a few of the vehicles. And interestingly enough, this vehicle was actually Mr. Shetland's over by Garrettson, South Dakota. And this is a 64 Grand Prix. It's a started project. And this one is on the website. This is online only. You can come out today till 6 p.m. We're going to shut her off right at 6, if not before, guys. And so you can come preview this online only auction. We have an assortment of motors, parts, cars. Now, some of the cars are not here. Some are in Illinois. One is in Garrettson. And so I'm going to walk you around and give you a little tour. This is a 1930 model Universal AD Chevrolet Coupe. It is a 3-window coupe. This does run and drive, and they got that going. Of course, it has a 6-cylinder in there. And this is a 1930, and it's a nice car. Over here we have a 110 electric hoist. It is movable. They've already got it out of the shop, so they'll make it pretty easy for you to come and get it. You can bid on that on the website at vanderbrinkauctions.com. We're also going to be having a major auction announcement today. If you're into Chevelle's Corvettes, big block parts, you won't want to miss this. And it's incredible. LS6, LS5, fuel-injected vets. Crazy. I'm going to be posting a video, and this will be in September. A lot of motors. Now, a lot of these have had work done from Copines. Some of you know that name out of Sioux Falls, or Sayre Automotive. This one over here we believe to be a 428. We just changed the description on this. Hey, Eric, I need to talk to you. And that has a tri-power on it, and we had it labeled, we did find a receipt on that, and so we believe it to be a 428, not a Cooper Jet. A lot of other motors here. And we have the capacity to help you load. We have some vintage testing machines here. Over here, some more motors. There's a lot of Mopar stuff in here. It's actually a lot of Pontiac stuff in here. GM 4-speeds, automatics, a lot of Pontiac automatics. I got to make sure this is all 8 lug for a Pontiac, this whole assortment here. Project cars, parts cars. This one is actually the second time I've sold that, and that was from the Reitz auction up in Mansfield, South Dakota. And that is a Dodge 330. Has a roll bar. Somebody was turning it into a drag car.
And I like to go ahead.
Hey. Fine. There's a Grand Prix. Nice, solid, original car there. We'll go over here. Here's a 67 Galaxy. Now, they did get all the cars to, except those projects over there, running. Now, you're probably not going to get in it and drive away, but you should always trailer a car after you buy it before you figure it out. 67 Galaxy. This is actually a really nice car. It's an older restore. Here's a Mercury. Big old beast there. And has a big V8. I believe it to be a 352. Probably an Interceptor. Here's a 55 Ford. This is a little bit of a custom. Of course, here we have a Cougar. A lot of people like Cougars. This one's got slicks on the back. She's got some miles on her. Now, this is a Z28. They do have that running now. Here's our T-Bucket. This one sounds awesome. It's got a small block Chevy in it. And that runs and drives. Over here we have some more parts. There's a tri-power for a Ford, some aftermarket Edelbrock intakes. Now here's some bigger lots. We do have some lots here, and these are carburetor lots. Most of these are one lot. There's some here We split them up. There's a Stromberg lot. Just all kinds of stuff here. Some mystery pallets. Over here is that Mustang. There's some cast iron GM intakes, a lot of 350s on there. Some heads, 350s again. Over here is kind of a weird bird. This was Chevy's answer to a Formula, like an Indy type situation. It's a Cosworth Vega. I don't know what they were thinking. But they did not make very many of them. And has a unique motor. This is original. Here's a Triumph little Spitfire here. Runs and drives. And again, a lot of these motors, we don't know a lot of history, but we do have some notes on some of them. But you're buying them as is. This auction ends July 12th. There's only 2 signs on the auction, so don't even ask me about the stuff in the background. The family is keeping that as a museum. There we have a co-op sign out with a pole. That is for sale. Over here is a Sovereign Service. This one appears to be porcelain and double-sided. We do have an auction coming up in South Dakota that will have signs on it, plus project cars. And right now we have the Wally Brandjord collection with 80 square body pickups, muscle cars, Broncos, and more. The catalog is loaded. Proxybid was having some issues this morning, and so anyway, and my website, we're still working on trying to get those pictures of all the lots loaded, so bear with us. I don't know what's going on. A lot of screaming and cursing this morning. I believe it to be something with an Amazon server myself. But that auction is live. You can register and bid there. That is a live on-site auction with online bidding. And it's amazing. You're going to want to be there in Botno, North Dakota. There's a lake up there, beautiful area. And Scouts, Broncos, half-ton pickups, step-side short boxes. There's a Boss 302 70 Mustang. There's a 57 Chevy Wagon Custom. It's just amazing. And those are selling July 22nd at 10 a.m. So check that out. August 4th and 5th, we're going to be down in Waverly, Iowa. 65 Trans Ams and parts, plus skid loader, camper, and thousands of Trans Am parts plus square miles. You have to be on site to bid for parts for the vehicles. On Friday at 4 p.m. we're going to be selling tools, and that is on site only. And the skid loader and all of that will be, and the cars and the parts will be Saturday. Starts at 9:30, gates open at 7. And that's in Waverly, Iowa. Catalog is up for the Saturday portion of the auction. And we want to see you there. It's really amazing. I'm going to take a run down there tomorrow and pick up paperwork. But just thought I'd show you here. And again, remember this evening, big auction announcement for September. If you like Chevelles, Corvettes, big block parts, yeah, got to pay attention. We're probably going to do that about 7 o'clock. But come see us. We're just outside of Crooks on 257th Street. And we're here till 6 o'clock. Then we're shutting her down. Kind of excited. Our auction, that's going to be September 30th in Corning, Iowa. It's going to be at the racetrack. in Corning. That'll be fun. I've always wanted to have an auction at a racetrack. We have about 100 classic vehicles there. So anyway, make sure to go to the website, vanderbrinkauctions.com. Check it out. And make sure to tune in on the website and Facebook tonight about 7 o'clock for a video release of an amazing auction. You won't want to miss it. The auction's going to be in September this year. And we want you to be there because our internet's a little sketchy. And you won't want to miss LS5, 6, Chevelles, parts, all that fun stuff. So see you at the auction and see you out here at the preview till 6 o'clock outside of Crooks on 257th Street, Larry Haug Collection. Thanks. See you then.